When we're struggling with life, we tend to measure success by big milestones, but real progress is made in the small, daily victories. Did you get out of bed even though you didn't feel like it? Did you make your bed, drink water, send that email? Those are wins. Celebrate them. When you acknowledge your small achievements, you build confidence and momentum. Every great journey starts with tiny steps. Don't dismiss them, embrace them. Because when you add them up, they turn into something big. Keep going. You're making progress, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Trust in the process, you will get better.